how would Shaykh-ul-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah come up with a new tafsir when the tafsir we should refer to are only from the Salaf? Why then do you expect him to come with a tafsir from him? Al-Imam, good question. Al-Imam Shaykh-ul-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah, he will not come up with a new tafsir. But what he would do is, the tafsir always requires application of that particular timing. There is application that the scholar has the ability to do that the general mass don't have. So Shaykh-ul-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah, what he would do is, these nusus and these texts, he would apply it on the time that he lives at, because he's mujtahid, he's reached darajatul ijtihad. And every scholar who came, that's what they did. They applied these verses on their current time. They applied it on their current time. And that's why it was always. Also the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always left for the Quran understanding that can be taken from it. And it doesn't mean that the tafasir that were written before prevents any new tafsir being written. It doesn't. ولذلك العلامة محمد الأمين الشنقيطي, when he wrote his tafsir book, the early pages of the book, his tafsir book, Amin al-Shanqiti, he said, فَكَمْ تَرَكَ الْأَوَّلُ لِلْآخِرِ. How many things did the early scholars leave for us to speak about as well when he was doing his tafsir? But what we say is, the tafsir of the Salaf is the foundation of all tafsir. Anything that a person says that's in opposition to the Salaf is corrupted and misguidance. But what the Salaf said in their tafsir needs explanation and expanding. It needs explanation and it needs expanding on. And it also needs application, and that's where the scholars come in. I hope that answers the question, inshallah ta'ala.